Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to Dior and to Chanel. I'll start from Chanel. I want to check out the new items. I'm curious about the new ready-to-wear. I want to check out few tops, sweatshirts. I really like them, and also I want to check out their jackets. I'm on the hunt for a white jacket, and after that I'm going to Dior. And I will probably try on the Dior Bar Jacket, which I didn't try last time. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm at Chanel now and I'm checking out some of their SLGs, the new colors, their brooches, which are really cute. I expected to have a lot more items here. It doesn't seem like Chanel received many items. Maybe they're yet to arrive. But what do you guys think about this new pink shade? I've seen the bags in this color as well, but I personally don't really feel it. I also spotted this beautiful jewelry, these earrings and the ring, which are gorgeous, but I'm trying to resist. But this one seems to be so my style. Anyway, so I will try on a few sweatshirts which I saw on Instagram. They are so pretty. I'm just curious to see how they will fit because I don't own any sweatshirts from Chanel. And I'm checking out this new pink shade, which is pretty. The bag is so heavy, like I'm struggling to hold it with one hand. Maybe I should hold it properly. It's kind of cute, but I don't know. What do you guys think about it? By the way, this is my outfit for today, and I started with the white jacket, which is gorgeous. My friend bought a similar one, but hers is a bit longer and has two pockets. I tried to find this one, but it doesn't seem like it's available in the store. But yeah, I like the way this jacket looks with my pink bag. It's really cool. I like all the details. The only thing is, I wish it was a bit longer. It seems to be like a cropped version. I would need to tuck in the t-shirt inside because it doesn't look great. I'll show you how it will look later, but yeah. A white Chanel jacket is actually on my wish list. I would like to get it. I would like it to be longer, and I also like a color. Let's see. And I also tried on this blue jacket. I think this is also from Cruise 2020, which is cute. I like it. Actually, I think it would look great with the bow crop top from the same collection that I purchased. I have it in blue, I have it in pink and in white as well. Yeah, it would look quite nice. I would probably have to shorten the sleeves again. I also like the fact that it's not very thick. It's perfect for Singapore weather. Well, and by that I mean to be indoors because it's pretty hot outside, but it's great in the aircon places. It can get quite chilly. So yeah, I'm gonna think about this one. Let me know what do you guys think about this color. Nowadays I take some time before I get anything. I also wanted to try on this jacket. I saw it before, I never had a chance to try it on. I like the pattern, but I don't think it looks fantastic on me. I just don't really like it on me. Yeah, maybe the light here is not very flattering. But yeah, these colors don't seem to be working. And also this jacket, similar to the blue one. I think it would look great with jeans. It's quite nice. What do you guys think about it? I still think the blue one is prettier. It's more vibrant. And also I wanted to try on this jacket. I think it's too big on me, but the pattern is quite interesting. I'll show you how it looks. It's not easy to close the buttons with one hand. But yeah, it's kind of nice, but it has to be altered, I think. I will try it with my bag later because I think the pink and gray and black will look good together, but let's see. It definitely has to be altered, it's way too big. And here it is with my bag. I don't know, it's okay. I just don't like the shape of this jacket, it's way too oversized. I'm starting to fall in love with the more figure-hugging jackets, and that's why I'll go to Dior later and I'll take you with me. But yeah, it's, I guess, color-wise it's okay. And here is another jacket which is a lot more figure-hugging, which is I think more my style now. The only thing is I usually wear 34 and this one is in a size 36. And you can see the sleeves of this jacket are so long, they totally have to be altered. Yeah, I think I would either go for this type of cutting or for a bit shorter but with the color. I think it's more my style, but yeah. I will show you how this jacket looks with my pink bag. I think it would look nicer than the previous one. Yeah, you see, it looks nicer. I think because of the pattern, it's not too bad. Anyway, I also wanted to try on this top that I saw everywhere on Instagram. It's quite nice, although this one is like 4 sizes bigger than my size because they sold it everywhere. It's okay, but yeah, it's too big. It's not my proper size. And moving on to the sweatshirts, I really like the white one. I think it's kind of cool and it looks good with my bag. Although it would look perfect with the black bag as well, but I just like to have a pop of color to make the whole outfit more fun. The only thing is it's quite pricey for a sweatshirt. Like, I understand it's Chanel, but like it's a lot more expensive than I thought. But I like all the details. It's kind of cool and there is some sequins in there. It's pretty. Yeah, I hope my camera will show the sequins. Yeah, and silver color here. It is nice. I will also try it on in the black color and show to you guys. What do you guys think about the Chanel sweatshirts? To me, when I think about sweatshirts, I think about Gucci. I don't know, it's not really Chanel style. I actually haven't seen sweatshirts in Chanel before. Maybe I just haven't paid attention. Have you ever seen sweatshirts in Chanel? It's quite interesting. And here is the black one, which is very cute. I would probably wear it with jeans. It looks okay with trousers too. It's not too bad. What do you guys think about the black color? Do you like it? The details are quite nice too. There's still sequins. Yeah, it's the same as the white one, just in black color. I could totally wear it with sneakers, some sports shoes. It doesn't have to always be heels. But yeah, even with heels it looks okay. I like Roger Vivier's shoes the most. I wear the shoes so often. Even these are pretty high. I have the same shoes with a smaller heel, and I also have them in patent. They are the most comfortable shoes. I have posted quite a few pictures on my Instagram account, so you guys can check it out. I usually wear them to work. They are my favorite by far. Anyway, after that, I'm gonna go to Dior and I'll take you with me. I wanna try on some of the items that I didn't have a chance to try on last time. I know I've been saying that I'm planning to buy that bar jacket that I tried in my previous video, but I think if it looks so amazing, I might just pull the trigger and get it today because it's so pretty. I've been thinking about it for a whole week. Looking at the saddlebags while waiting to get in the store, and this bar jacket is so beautiful. I also like it in white. It's kind of cute, but I want to get it in the black first, and that's what I'm gonna try on. I didn't have a chance to try it on in my previous video, and some other items that I liked because we were in a rush. We had to go for Rimowa launch. By the way guys, if you haven't watched my previous video, I will link it down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. I really like this jacket. I'm seriously considering it, but I think I need to try it on with the belt. Initially I was planning to wear it with my H belt, but I think the Dior belt is actually a lot more elegant. It's so pretty. What do you guys think about it? I think this jacket is so perfect for work, and it's also great for going out. Sometimes I remember during my time in New York, people would be just wearing black so often, and this is something I would wear to go for drinks after work. It's so cute and so elegant as well. I think this length of the sleeves is actually quite nice. I don't think I have to alter it much. I will probably have to add the stud button just to feel more comfortable, because I don't plan to layer this jacket. I would just wear it together with trousers. I think I would also wear it with the skirts. I will try to show you how it looks with Dior skirt later, and I would also wear it with some of my other skirts. I would create an outfit. So here it is with the Dior skirt, which is quite nice, although I don't think it's my style. I do like the look of it, but it just doesn't feel like me when I try it on. But the skirt is quite nice, and I see a lot of people wear this kind of skirts with t-shirts or sweatshirts. They're beautiful, but it's just not my style. I also seen some girls wear this kind of skirts with sneakers, and they look pretty cute, but yeah, I just don't see myself in it. I think I'm gonna take this jacket and the belt. I really love them. I will just have to ask a seamstress at Dior to add the stud button, and I'm gonna post some pictures of me wearing it on my Instagram, so please feel free to subscribe. And I think I will also compare it in one of my videos with Balmain jacket. I think I will also show some outfits, how I style them, so please guys, stay tuned. And I also wanted to try on this sweater that I didn't have a chance to try on properly last time. It's so cute. I like the star, and I saw last time t-shirts with the same pattern, and there are also bags with this pattern too. I think it's pretty cool. It's very light and the length is good. What do you guys think about this design? Do you like it? I find the Dior clothes is very true to size. It fits like a glove, most of it. Well, I also wanted to try on this dress, which my essay brought to me. It's really pretty. The only thing is it's a bit too big. I think Dior can totally alter it for me. I would have to alter it in the waist, chest area, and the arms as well to make it more fitted. I didn't put on the belt properly. Oh well. Never mind, guys. What I like about Dior clothes, it's very flattering, it's modern, and it's very understated. I love the fact that it doesn't have flashy logos everywhere, and that's what Chanel has. And sometimes I don't feel comfortable wearing Chanel clothes because I don't want the whole world to know that I'm wearing this jacket. It's from Chanel. Sometimes I just want to wear something that I love. I know it's expensive, I know it's good quality, and that's just good enough for me. I also feel like this type of items will stay in my wardrobe for a long time. I know that I'll be reaching for them even in 10 years time, as long as they fit me. But yeah, and I think this year I will focus on some ready-to-wear pieces to build my collection, to have a timeless wardrobe. And I will only add a few bags, if any, actually. And this is the dress in the cream or white color, off-white I think. It's still big, it has to be altered, but yeah. And this is a regional belt. It's a nice dress, but I think the black one is nicer. What do you guys think about these two colors? Please let me know in the comment section below. And also, do you like it with the original belt or with Dior belt? With the Dior logo? Please let me know. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and do consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.